So ayan, as I was reading a Substack essay by Ayushi Takar entitled "I Hope I Never Stop Being a Beginner," it really resonated with me how I let my fear and my ego, as well as the perception of others about me, somehow hinder the way I pursue things, the way I risk. And I think this is like a reminder to myself that I shouldn't be afraid to try, to be a beginner, to be bad at it, to be embarrassed by something I'm not good at in the first place because, again, I'm a beginner. I am trying. I'm not expert at one try, and everyone who looks so effortless with, like, for example, public speaking. I really, really want to be good at public speaking. I want to be good at debate. I want to be good at writing. I want to be good at doing legislative bills and policies. I want to be good at model Congress. I want to be good at model United Nations, but I'm not doing anything to confront the fear, the desire to nurture and to nurture my desire to be good at public speaking, to be good at model United Nations, because maybe it is the ego, it is the fear of getting out of my comfort zone, of seeing myself from a third point of view that I'm not good at it. I desire it, but I'm not good at it. Like somehow I expect myself to be good at it in the first try, in the first few tries, and then give up when I don't see result. And that is, I think, one of my toxic traits, and why I think I'm not consistent with everything. Not everything though, but somehow with few things that I've started. Like, for example, I'm not consistent with my advocacy business, which is the literary line, because other aspects of my life, such as academics, are eating up my time somehow, that I don't manage my time wisely and smartly, 'di ba? Na para bang I think I really do think na I should stop being so afraid. I should stop being scary about trying, about risking it all, about being perceived as beginner, because you know no one really is watching me. No one really is noticing what I'm doing. And it's fine, it's fear, it's liberating in a way. And in a way, it is a reminder for myself to try. It's really something na parang, shit, yeah, I know I always say to myself, oh, I'm a beginner. I am a student of life. I always embrace being a beginner. I'm always willing to learn all that and all that, to the point that I'm all talk but no walk. Like I say, all life takes practice. I always try. I always make it a point to try to learn new things, to not be so afraid trying, to risk it all. But at the same time, when I'm in the middle of doing something that I'm not good at, somehow I find myself slowing down and actually succumbing to the feeling that maybe, or to the thought that maybe I'm not good enough. But I think I really should silence that thought and just do the work. I really have to become it. And to become it, I have to just do the work. I have to stop being so afraid of risking, of trying, that I'm not willing to, to try new things to experience. Sabi nga dito sa article. So I hope I never get to a place where I feel like I have everything figured out. I hope I never become the kind of person who is afraid to try something just because they might look stupid doing it. I hope I never let pride keep me from learning. And I think it really resonated with me with how whenever I don't do anything, when it's rest day or feel like I'm not productive enough for a day, I really feel bad. I really feel this restlessness within me telling me that I'm not good enough because I'm not doing something today compared to other people who are like, I feel like ahead of me. Like I need to keep up. Like there is always something I need to follow or somehow keep up race with ganyan na para bang maiiwan ako pag hindi ko ginagawa kung anong ginagawa nila ngayon or like hindi ko natatapos agad or hindi agad ako nakakapag-accomplish. I think that's a toxic mindset and I have to really be gentle and be patient with myself. I have to be compassionate with how I think and I think I have to reframe that kind of thoughts because it's not healthy. And I know I have my own timeline, I have my own desires and my ways. And yeah, you don't have to be so afraid of trying. You don't have to be good at it, good at it in the first try. You can just be. Kasi just notice, no, kung gaano ka ka-patient, kung gaano ka ka-compassionate sa friends mo when they're trying something new. Tapos kapag sa sarili mo, na sobrang hard mo sa sarili mo to the point na hindi mo na nagagawa, hindi mo na nata-try, you never dare to try, you become paralyzed just by thinking and overthinking and judging yourself. So I think you really have to stop the voice in your head saying you don't deserve a table. Stop thinking that you aren't capable when you are just a beginner yet and you know you can improve with the effort, with the time. So stop being so afraid. Just try. Just do it.